Hi guys, okay, so this is week 13, list 11, I believe. So, here we go. The first word is asunder, and it is an adverb. It means to separate into parts or pieces. Asunder. The next word is rout. It is a noun, which means it's a person, place, or thing, and it means an overwhelming defeat. The next word is staid. It's an adjective, which is a describing word. It's characterized by dignity and propriety. So it means that you are more proper or that you do things more dignified. It's a way to describe somebody who acts in that way or that manner. The next word is beguile. It's a verb. It means to influence by slyness. It can be meaning to be sneaky when trying to do something. It's a verb. One of my favorite words is up next, fisticuffs. It's a noun. It means fighting with fists. So, like, if any of you like to watch boxing, two of your favorite fighters would go fisticuffs for the title match. The next word is bequeath. It's a verb, which means it's an action word. And it means leave or give by will after one's death. So some of you might inherit something from your grandparents when they pass, or a loved one, and that would mean they bequeathed it to you. The next word is enigma. It is a noun, which means it's a person, place, or thing. And it's something that baffles understanding and cannot be explained. So an enigma means that it's just completely unexplainable or that you don't understand it. The next word is assiduous. It's an adjective, which is a describing word. It means marked by care and persistent effort. So somebody who assiduously does something means they take a lot of care and effort in what they're doing. The next word is vassal. That's a noun. It means a person who owes allegiance and servitude to a federal or feudal lord. So that's somebody who basically serves a lord. And the last word is quail. So that's a verb, but it means to draw back as in fear or in pain. So I'm guessing some of you are hoping that your deer would quail after you shoot them this weekend, since it's hunting weekend. So anyway, those are your vocab words for week 13, set whatever. I'm not really sure anymore. This says 12. I don't think that's right either. But anyway, if you need something, let me or Mr. Kayas know, and we'd be happy to help.